Hi guys, in this video we will learn RabbitMQ using Spring Boot. This course covers all the knowledge you need for RabbitMQ and we'll be using hands-on on Spring Boot application. This course doesn't require any prior knowledge to RabbitMQ, but it does require a very basic knowledge of Spring Boot since we'll be using Spring Boot application for all the configurations of RabbitMQ. This course will cover the installation of the RabbitMQ. I'll show you the installation on Apple Silicon, and which holds equally good for Intel Mac as well. And I'll let you know what we need for the installation on the Windows system. We'll go through the introduction of JMS and RabbitMQ, as many people get confused between JMS and RabbitMQ. Then we'll deep dive into the queues and exchange. It is one of the component of RabbitMQ and why it is needed. Then we'll go through the RabbitMQ management console. I'll let you know what are the components it has and where you can find what. Then we'll go through all types of exchanges, why it is needed, and what's the difference between all the exchanges. Then we'll do the hands-on coding using Spring Boot application. Okay, so let's get started and happy learning.